Steve Jobs was born in 1955 in San Francisco, California, to a young unmarried couple who gave him up for adoption. Growing up in Cupertino, California, Steve developed a passion for electronics and engineering from an early age. In high school, Jobs was known for his rebellious spirit and creativity, often challenging the status quo. After briefly attending Reed College, Jobs dropped out but continued to audit classes that interested him. In 1906, Jobs co-founded Apple Computer with Steve Wozniak, launching the Apple I and changing the tech landscape. The introduction of the Apple II in 1977 revolutionized personal computing and brought significant profits to the company. Jobs was known for his perfectionism and attention to detail, which drove the design of Apple products to new heights. In 1985, after a power struggle at Apple, Jobs was ousted from the company he helped create. During his time away from Apple, Jobs founded Next, a computer platform development company aimed at higher education. Jobs also acquired Pixar Animation Studios, which produced groundbreaking animated films like Toy Story, making him a billionaire. In 1997, Apple acquired Next, bringing Jobs back to the company and revitalizing its product line. Jobs introduced the iMac in 1998, which was a commercial success and marked a turning point for Apple. The launch of the iPod in 2001 transformed how people listen to music, solidifying Apple's position in the tech industry. Jobs emphasized marketing and branding, creating a cult-like following for Apple products through memorable advertising campaigns. The release of the iPhone in 2007 changed the smartphone industry forever, merging technology with user experience. Jobs was known for his charismatic presentations, captivating audiences, and creating buzz around new product launches. Despite facing health challenges, Jobs continued to innovate, pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Jobs' unique approach to product development combined art and technology, creating devices that were both functional and beautiful. In 2011, Jobs resigned as CEO of Apple, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and design excellence. Jobs passed away in October 2011, but his vision and influence continue to shape the tech industry today. Steve Jobs' journey is a testament to creativity, resilience, and the power of innovation in achieving success. Jobs' leadership style was unconventional, often pushing his team beyond their limits to achieve extraordinary results. Jobs' story teaches us that failure can lead to new opportunities, as seen in his return to Apple after Next. The influence of Jobs' design philosophy is evident in every Apple product, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. Jobs' legacy lives on through the millions who use Apple products, inspired by his vision and creativity. Steve Jobs remains an iconic figure in technology, reminding us that passion and vision can change the world. Jobs' commitment to quality and user experience set a standard that competitors strive to achieve even today. The story of Steve Jobs is a journey of ambition, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Steve Jobs' ability to foresee trends and create demand for products was a key factor in his immense wealth. To watch more videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.